Are you planning to come to Denmark for studies? Are you wondering how much tax you will be paying? How much salary you will be receiving after paying all the taxes? As we know, Denmark is known for having high taxes, but it's little bit confusing when you first arrive. So for the next 2 minutes, I will explain you the Danish tax system in the simplest way, so you know what to expect before moving to Denmark. Let's say you come to Denmark as an international student and find a part-time job. Your hourly wage is 130 DKK and you work the student limit of 90 hours per month. Your gross salary will be, if you calculate, it will be 11,700 DKK. Now the first deduction is the 8% labor market contribution, also called AM big rake. After this deduction, we are left with 10,764 DKK. Now comes the important part. In Denmark, you have something called a tax-free allowance, known as fradrag. That means the first 5,000 DKK is tax-free, and it may vary from person to person. For you, it may be 4,000. For someone, it may be 6,000. For maybe one, it will be 7,000. Yeah, it will be like between 4 to 7,000. Let's say the tax-free amount is 5,000 DKK. So instead of paying income tax on total 10,764, you only pay tax on 5,764. If your tax rate is around 37%, as we have in Aarhus, your income tax will be approximately 2,132.66 DKK. So your estimated salary after tax will be 8,631.32 DKK. Now let's talk about something many international students get confused about: tax card A and tax card B. When you get your main job, you should ask your employer to use tax card A. Tax card A includes your tax-free allowance, meaning your fradrag is applied to this job. If you later get a second or third job, those employers should normally use tax card B. Tax card B does not use your tax-free allowance again because you can only use your allowance once. For example, if you have two jobs and both employers use tax card A, both may apply your tax-free allowance. This can result in you paying too little tax during the year. Later, when SCAT calculates your final tax, you may have to pay back the difference and a fine with interest. So remember this simple rule: one main job, tax card A; extra job, tax card B. Before starting a new job in Denmark, always check your tax card on SCAT and make sure the correct employer is using the correct card.